Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to share a very special heartwarming recipe. I'm going to show you guys how I make my butter chicken. Butter chicken is similar to chicken tikka masala. It is one of the most popular curries in Indian and Pakistani restaurants. The chicken is cut into cubes and left to marinate for a few hours before being seared in butter. The aromatic golden chicken pieces are then cooked in an incredible creamy curry sauce. From all of the butter chicken recipes I've tried in the past, this is definitely the winner as it is the easiest to make and tasted the most authentic. So firstly, I marinated the chicken in this butter chicken mix. I left that aside for a few hours. I heated some oil in a pan and I added in the chicken. I cooked this for about 10 to 15 minutes and then I set it aside for later. So we're going to move on to making the creamy buttery sauce. I added some butter in a pan. I added some pureed onion and green chillies. I let that cook for 5 minutes until it were lightly browned, and then I added all of the spices in the description below. I mixed all of them ingredients together and cooked them for 5 minutes. I added half a glass of water and cooked that for another few minutes. So once it looks like this, it's time to add in the double cream. I used extra thick double cream. I added about 1.5 tub. I added some orange food colouring to give it a beautiful colour. I then went ahead and added in the cooked chicken. I then cooked this for 15 to 20 minutes until all of that cream has thickened up. Once you see the butter rising to the top, it is almost ready. I left that to simmer for 5 more minutes and then I added some cream on top, and I also garnished with some coriander. And there we have it, my most favourite butter chicken recipe. Let me know what you think in the comments. Till next time guys, cheers!